Good morning, YouTube. Hope everyone is doing well. Happy Friday, happy Friday. Another day of risk managing, because that is all we're doing when we're trading. We are managing risk. Let's see what we have here. I already drew out my support, resistance, and trend lines. YM's very interesting to me because we had a large sell-off right at 7 a.m. this morning. So we've been on a consistent downward trend, and I'm just curious to see if we're going to fill this huge gap on the higher time frame, because if we can catch that move, that's a lot of money. So I'd be open to sells to see if we can have a continuation on the way down. I'd be cautious though, because we've already pushed so far down, and I'm open to buys on this trend line break and resistance break to see if we just recover some of these London session highs up here. So I'd be open to buys or sells, fill this gap, good buying opportunity. People are buying the dip, or we can see a continuation down. NASDAQ, I'd be not on my radar or top watch list today. Doesn't have much structure. NKD, which is the Japanese, I like to say it's the Japanese S&P 500, but it's Japan's 225 largest companies. I'd be open to this to see how it reacts to this 38,765 level right here. It could continue on the way down, looking at on the higher time frame, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. It looks like we could be seeing an upward trend moving here. We'll see. But I like YM, and then I also do like ES, which is the S&P 500. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, I'm open to buys on ES. Looks like we're on a upward trend line on the lower time frame. We have to break through these resistance right here before I think about sells. But we'll draw that line right there. So we'll see. I mean, that's what I see in the market. We have about 2 minutes until market open. If you follow me, I do not take any trades until market open, and we're usually done by the first 30 minutes. If you want to follow my free Discord, I have it on my link on my channel. Just posting trade ideas on there for free. So, yeah, I mean, we have 1 more minute until market open. I'll be paying attention to ES and YM. Very curious about YM. It would just suck if we broke out pre-market, because I don't take a trade pre-market, but we'll see. 30 seconds. We do have calendar news, a red folder news event at, where's the red folder news event? 9:45 PMI. So I'll be out of this trade. It's just going to be a quick scalp to start the morning. Already had W's in the Asian session and London session, so if an opportunity doesn't present itself, I am not going to force it this morning. So market is open. I don't want to take it. I'm going to lower my risk if I do. I just hate taking trades in the first couple seconds. So So one thing I'm going to review, because this could sell off, but a quote that I like to think of is, the pain of losing the trade is greater than the pain of missing out on a trade. So if you're unsure about a specific structure or trade, just understand that there's always tomorrow to take a trade. These patterns will always repeat themselves. Let's see. It's very interesting. Look at how volatile that is. I'm gonna go in super light.
Order filled.
Super light on ES. And I'm going to manage my risk by closing out if we go back into the range. It's just volatile, but if we do continue to push down, like, I don't want to miss the move, so. Very low risk, half sizing. The purpose of taking this trade is to see a continuation on the way down. But like I said, price action is very volatile right now. If we go above this blue line, I'll be out of this trade. I just want to see a continuation volume on the way down. And we're not seeing it, so I'm thinking I will I'm even thinking about getting out of this trade at break even, to tell you the truth. What is everything else doing? Retracing. NASDAQ. YM's retracing. Interesting. See what we're gonna do. All right, we'll push, maybe. See how this next 5-minute candle, what I'm looking on this 5-minute candle is a wick up and then a continuation on the way down. If not, I will most likely be out of this trade. do not like this.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
get out of that. I just don't like how it's reacting. Don't like it. Don't like it. Well, we have 10 minutes until news. I do like that push down right there.
Order filled.
All right, last trade of the day. We'll try a small position on YM again. We'll see what happens. I mean, we have news in 10 minutes, so this is not my A+ setup, so I'm just going in half sizing once again, just managing risk, and I will place stops above this blue line right here because we should have no business going back into the range. Yeah, this has no business going back in the range. I don't like how it's reacting. Yeah, I'm
Order
out.
filled.
So that is the day. I don't like how price is reacting. I mean, it can continue to go down, but as soon as I sense danger, I just get out of the trade completely. It's not an A+ setup, but it is what it is. I'm happy with the week. I was green. Asian session and London session, and I don't want to risk any profits. So this looks like it's about to fall, though. Well, thank you for joining. Hope everyone, any traders out there, ended the day on a green note. I will see everyone on